By default, the property tool operates with floating arrows, which make navigation easier. This means that in case of those computers with which we use a mouse, these signs follow the movements of the mouse. You can make these arrows fixed if you want to. To do so, sign in, then click on the settings. Here, in the navigation menu, you can choose Fixed Arrows. Save it. There you can see that the arrows become fixed in the space of the tool. If you click on these arrows, you can move forward and you can change your position just like with floating arrows. Note that this settings is applied to the tool, so if you make this change, everyone will see the tool this way. The floating arrow is a more intuitive solution, but it cannot be used everywhere. If you choose floating arrows, you will get fixed arrows in case of tablets, phones, and VR mode anyway, regardless of the setting.